Another protest looms following the approval of reopening Lekki Toll Gate. Following the approval to reopen Lekki Toll Gate by Judicial Panel of Inquiry set up by the Lagos State Government to investigate the October 2020 Lekki shooting incident, many Nigerians have taken to Twitter to protest that those who carried out the alleged shootings of innocent citizens must face the law before Lekki Toll Gate can be reopened. The Occupy Lekki Toll Gate, which is another wave of protest against injustice and government silence over the Lekki shootings, is scheduled to kick off on 13th February 2021, according to Twitter sources. The 9-man panel returned the control of the toll gate to the Lekki Concession Company, the operators, on Saturday. The company, through its counsel, had been praying the panel to allow it to take over the plaza for repair and insurance claims in December 2020. Over the last 4 months, an outpouring of support for Nigerian protesters has played out on Twitter with various hashtags, but predominantly EndSARS. Speaking against the reopening of Lekki Toll Gate, where a countless number of youths were said to have been shot by security operatives, human rights activist Omoyele Sowore wrote on Twitter. Other Twitter users also called for justice for those who were killed during the EndSARS protest. Thank you for listening to this news. Yes, justice must be served until on justice must be served for those shot during the EndSARS before the Lekki Toll Gate can be reopened. I concur with that. Till date as we speak, the federal government have not been able to do anything concerning those that were shot. See how they keep passing it to themselves. Who are they deceiving? Who are they lying to? Who are they cheating? You see, that is why when we say that we are in a corrupt country, some persons will be saying that, don't say that again. What do you mean by don't say that again? Something that's supposed to have something that's supposed to have been served its own justice. Till date, nothing concerning that incident has been discussed. They keep telling us that they're on it. Yet nothing has been arrived. Nothing has been achieved. Nothing has been achieved. And this is how they keep doing it. And before you know it, they'll forget about the case. And those people that died, their deaths will now be a thing of the past. You see, that is the kind of country that we have. That is the kind of country that we find ourselves into. That is Nigerians for you. Only by the grace of Almighty God that the people will get justice from the International Criminal Court. And I know vividly well that someone in the higher level is causing this delay and making ICC not to finalize this issue. But whatsoever it is, oh God, these people that caused the death of these innocent children, they will surely pay with their lives. They will surely pay with their lives, because these innocent children, they did nothing but rather exercise what the Constitution demands. The Constitution demands that you have the right to protest and make your demands. And besides, this country, Nigeria, that we are, is a country that before your voice can be heard, You need to protest. You need to voice out in protest before your voice can be heard. If not, your voice will not be heard. Okay, you look at it now. If not because the youth came out in mass to protest, the government wouldn't have heard the demand. They wouldn't have listened to the youth, or know that the youth are suffering from the suffering, are suffering are suffering the way they are suffering. They won't know that there is something like like torture that the youth are undergoing from the hands of these hoodlums called NSAS. You see that? So that is why protest in this country is very, very important. But this administration is now denying the youth of the right to come out to protest. Why? Whereas it is in the constitution of this country, Nigeria, that the youth should be given the opportunity to protest. They should be given the opportunity to voice out, to air their view, to tell the masses that, look, this is what we need. This is what we are passing through. Sowore came outside to protest. They went after him. He came out to protest. They sent DSS after him. Look at. Are we following the constitution? No wonder it was said that this constitution demands a restructuring because it is in favor of the Northerners. It is in favor of the Northerners. So, in fact, I'm just short of words, my viewers. I'm short of words for all of these things that is happening. Because our governments are not helping matters. Most especially this present administration. You understand? Most especially this present administration. So, please, my viewers, let us keep on with the struggle. Let us keep on with the voices. Don't be mute. Don't be quiet, because now your voice is being heard. People are taking note of your agitation. People are taking note of your request. Until our voice are heard, that is when we'll keep calm. You understand? So please, my viewers, with every human respect, I call on you to please deem it fit to leave your comment below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.